Hey guys, it's Tashay Leniece and I am back with another video. Don't mind my ponytail. I just got done pre-pooing and yeah, I don't know why I put it in a ponytail. But anyway, y'all, this is an unboxing. I have been waiting on this not even that long. Like, I think I ordered it 2 weeks ago, which is not bad because it was like an anniversary sale. But y'all, it is... Honey's Handmade, a tribute to my mother. So yeah, probably 2 weeks ago for Mother's Day. So if you guys would like to see what I got, then keep on watching. So this is the box. I don't want y'all to see my address or nothing. It's pretty huge. It was $65 and it's actually a collection. And I'm gonna do a wash day with it, so yeah. Oh, it tells the wash day recipe. I couldn't wait longer, so I ended up pre-pooing. So I don't know if it's a pre-poo. I didn't even see what was all in it. I just seen that it was like a collection. There was a lot of stuff for a good price, so I went ahead and did that. So the first thing that I got was Melbas Sea Kelp and Seaweed Clarifying Hair Mask. It's probably focused. I just can't see that it's focused. Yeah. This is 8 ounce. The next thing is a Melbas Honey Glazed Poo Bar Lather. Hand poured poo bar. So I'm wondering if this is a pre-poo. I don't see it. I have to figure out what this is and get back to y'all on that one. A lot of these corn chips. Next is a Melbas Peach Cobbler High Definition Twisting Butter. Peach cobbler. My daddy makes the best peach cobblers. Next is Melba's Lemon Meringue Curl Friendly Wet Jelly. I have a curl custard of hers that I still have yet to open. But I did use the whipped vanilla butter one day. So far, that's 4 products. This is the Aloe Water Splash, Melba's Aloe Water Splash, refreshing cool coil water, hydrates, conditions, refresh, balance. Excuse me. So far, everything was 8 ounces. The poo bar was 4.5. The cool water is 4 ounces. So we're at 5 products. Yeah. Still not done. Next is the Melbas Pound Cake Curl Cream Hair Smoothie. 8 ounce. 6 products. Oh, Melba's 15-day Pure Biotin Hair Growth Boost. Oh, so I got little pills. Oh, Jesus, because I have a hard time swallowing pills. Growth pills. That's seven products so far. Next is the Melbas Okra and Onion Seed Slippery Elm Hair Mask. Y'all, I am excited. 8 products. Still not done. Next is the Melbas Leave-In Hair Shake. So I guess this is a leave-in conditioner. That's what this looks like. Yeah, that's a lot. And I think I'm at the last product, which is the Pre-Poo Condish Serum. This is the Jungle Punch Juicy. And that is everything. That wasn't my address with it. Nope. Y'all, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 products. For $65. You can't tell me that I couldn't get in on that deal. I had to. I just had to. I'm debating if I want to use this high definition twist and butter today, or carry on with the video that I was originally gonna do. Oh, Jesus. Definitely think I'm about to try out one of these hair masks. So, oh my goodness. And when should I start these pills? Yeah, I'm in heaven. I can't wait to put this on my shelf. Let me know if you got in on this little collection. I do not believe that it's still going. I do believe that it was just for Mother's Day. Excuse me. I'm trying to hurry up because I do have to wash my hair, finish washing my hair, and I have to go to work tomorrow. My job don't care about me. But okay. Woo! If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and let me know if you got this collection, if you want to try this collection, if you tried anything from this collection before, because I think these are kind of like special editions. Let me know down in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.